I wanted to show you an unrenovated unit. We're in the middle of upgrading it to a premium unit. So why don't you come in? I'll show you something. We're gonna introduce you, I mean, you know our superstar team, Dustin, Amanda. You can see the door right now. We're really upgrading the door, painting, all of that. A lot of this, I mean, it looks pretty nice in the videos and pictures, but a lot of this is hard work. It's not the most sexiest job in the world. All of this is gonna be cleaned out. We're gonna put new vinyl plank flooring over here. The paint's gonna change. We're gonna add some lights. Something in this room. See, once we add the lighter tone paint, what you're gonna start seeing is that room will visually start opening up. And now when we come here, Dustin, do you want to tell them about these closets and the kitchen and all?
Okay, so one of my philosophies is anything that you touch should be upgraded. You touch doorknobs, doors, granite. You look at the fireplace, use that, so that also needs to be upgraded. But anything that gets touched. New faucet, new granite. Are we doing new toilets in here?
Yep.
Oh, and then in here you got the all black appliances, and then you got the new granite. Also doing subway tile around here. Got subway tile on both sides there above the granite. And nice new modern faucet. This is a fantastic faucet. This is what everybody wants these days. But yeah, super modern, super nice, and not too expensive.
All right, we're done.